or for new media, for instance. I mean, you don't really need opinions. To read new opinions on the newspaper, you can just log on if you have internet, and that's the realm of opinion. So I think maybe that journalism or broadcast journalism or printed journalism should focus obviously more on, that's a wish, on investigations, on investigative, because on the web it's very difficult to connect the dots. So it's more, maybe it would be more interesting to focus on this sort of a connection of the dots for a more traditional journalistic output. And on the other side, though, I have to say that on the blogosphere, for instance, the more quoted articles and excerpts are taken from mass media online version of the major broadcasters. So you have a quotation on the BBC website or on the whatever, on the Times and the Guardian, and this sort of a quotation are endlessly reproduced on the blogosphere. So somehow on one side, yes, on the other side, no, because the influence that the major broadcasting corporation and printed corporation are having on the blogosphere itself is huge. Mm. And
I guess there's some examples of where mainstream media are taking from blogs, but I suppose that's not very often.
Yeah, I think it's more often the opposite case, really.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
We'll take one more question, and then we'll start off with the next speaker.
Hi. I wondered if you could articulate a little bit more clearly your feelings about the relationship between truth and fiction, because I felt a bit concerned